MP ke Lok Sabha jong ke Shalong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan menta kasngi habashim benta ke jinga keren ha Lok Sabha ula rae kamat jong ke jingken rei ke jingti bat jing shalan dewïong be-ain ha ke jella u Dr. Ricky uli ïathuh akhmat ke yeng dorbar bawat la ke NGT ke lakhang banti dewïong Henry ki dan ki kenhuan bala jutep ha ke jella kum ke kenhuan ki High Lavel ki ba bteng banti dewïong wat adu kini kisngi ki ba mentaru
inadequate incentives provided by the state
माननीय रिकी एंड्रयू सिंह कौन
despite their vital contributions to the public health.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson, for allowing me to speak. Madam, the future, whether good or bad, depends on our action today. On this note, I would like to, through you, Madam Speaker, to remind that in 2014, NGT had imposed a ban on mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya. However, it is very unfortunate that till today there are a group of people known in our state as High Lavel who have continuously and blatantly violated this ban, and even the government machinery which is supposed to ensure the enforcement of this ban have failed miserably to enforce this ban. And the leading newspaper of Meghalaya, Shillong Times, dated 26/3/2025, reported that more than 1.92 lakh metric tons of illegal coal have been detected